Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a study match game on the Anton application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the study lists icon down below, which is the last option. Now if you want to create a new list, just tap on the button Write List and you should choose a study list category. Now you can add a new entry by typing in anything that you want, and you can add any other words, as many as you like, by tapping on this new entry button. Then if you are done with it, press the button Continue. Then you should name your study list, and then you are done with it. But you can also choose from the already existing lists. Tap on the relevant one that you would like to use, scroll down till you find the match section or option and tap on it. Now you can select whether you would like to hear the pronunciation of both languages or only the French or English one, or you can turn it off completely. You can begin playing this game by tapping on the button down below. So now you will hear the pronunciation of the word, and you have to select the relevant or the correct answer. So you have to match the English word to the French one. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.